SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to sign out of Pokemon Go. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you want to log out of your Pokemon Go account on your iPhone or Android device, then you need to open the Pokemon Go app, touch the Pokeball icon at the bottom of the screen, choose Settings at the top right of this screen, then scroll to the bottom of this menu and tap Sign Out. You can then touch the Yes button to confirm that you want to sign out, and then you'll be taken back to the login screen for Pokemon Go, where you'll be able to choose the returning player option and select one of these options to sign into your other account. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.